In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mention people in Coda EO. By the end, you'll know exactly how to call someone's attention to a specific spot in your doc, how notifications work, and what happens if the person you mention isn't already included. Mentions in Coda are a simple way to loop people into a conversation, assign visibility to a piece of content, or gently nudge someone to review an item. They work almost anywhere you can type in a doc, including text sections, tables, and comments, and they help ensure the right person sees the right thing at the right time. Here's how to do it. Whenever you want to reference someone, type the @ symbol, then start typing their name. Coda will recognize what you're doing and display matching names as you keep typing. The more letters you add, the more precisely Coda can match the person you're aiming for. When the name resolves, you'll see it styled as a mention right in your text. If you're working in a large workspace with people who share similar names, add a few extra characters to make sure you're pointing to the right person. It's a quick, lightweight way to keep your doc conversational and directed. Now, what happens after you mention someone? Coda automatically notifies them. That means they'll get a heads up that draws them straight to the context you referenced, making it easy to respond, review, or take action. To help them understand why you mentioned them, add a brief note next to the mention, something like what you need, by when, or a short summary of the decision at hand. This extra clarity avoids back and forth and makes your workflow smoother. Also, be thoughtful about frequency. Mentions are powerful, and using them intentionally helps the most important alerts stand out. If you mention someone who isn't yet part of the document, Coda will prompt you to share the doc with them. This safeguard is there to protect your information and to confirm that the person should have access. Before proceeding, take a moment to consider whether the content is appropriate to share and whether the person truly needs visibility. If it is, go ahead and continue. They'll be brought into the doc context and notified. If not, you can back out and keep the doc private to your current collaborators. That's it. Type the @ symbol followed by a name, rely on automatic notifications to keep people informed, and be mindful when mentioning anyone who isn't already in the doc. With these simple habits, your Coda docs become clearer, faster, and more collaborative.